Hi everyone, Luke from Hotwire here in our frequently asked questions series on underfloor heating. One question we do get asked quite a lot is why should you trust Hotwire to supply the underfloor heating products for your home? It's a great question. There's a lot of floor heating companies in the market and you need to know the company you're using will back you up with great products and service. The simplest way for me to answer that question is just to refer to our social proof and the companies who decide to use Hotwire as their preferred floor heating. We've got more Google reviews than any of our competitors, and that's testament to the fact that people are happy with our products, and our Google rating, as of the time I recorded this, is 4.9 stars. There's very few companies with that sort of rating. We've also got a client base of some of Australia's biggest names. Beaumont Tiles have been using Hotwire for over 20 years. You can buy Hotwire products in Bunnings. You can buy them in Tile Power, in Mitre 10 stores, in Bowen stores, in a lot of electrical wholesalers such as Middies, L&H, and so many more. We've got a client list the envy of all of our competitors. And that just proves that we have a product and a service that we back up and that people are continually happy to use our products and our service. We've also been on the block for the last 10 years, as well as sundry other TV shows where Hotwire products have been featured. So you know we've got great products, we back it up with great service, and you can trust us to deliver. We really look forward to helping you get Hotwire.